What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Happy Tuesday, another day, another run in the books. Easy 4 miles today. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and super short run today just because I have a lot planned in terms of training for this week, and I'll actually be aiming for a low 40-mile week just because I am also working in my powerlifting back into my weekly routine again. And speaking about powerlifting, I was able to do a push session right before my run today. And I was able to barbell bench 185 pounds times 5 sets of 4 reps per set. And that's actually 1 more rep per set than last week. And then I also ended my workout with incline barbell bench, super light, 95 pounds times 3 sets of 8 reps. And yesterday's video was so long that I didn't want to include all my exercise from yesterday, but I did exercise yesterday. Yesterday, I was able to barbell squat 245 pounds times 5 sets of 4 reps each. So my legs are definitely getting stronger. 315, I'm coming for you. And then also yesterday, I was able to run 2 miles, again, super short run, just because I barbell squatted right before I ran, so my legs were stiff. Okay, super crazy. I think I have allergies now, and I've never had allergies before, ever. If you notice in my video yesterday, I'll have a little bit of a red nose, just like Rudolph, and it was super itchy. I had just got done lifting and running, and I showered, and then I shot that video. But during the whole time, my nose was itching super bad, and I didn't know what it was. I went to go talk to my girlfriend, and I was like, what is this? It's like, it's just itchy right there, and I didn't know what to do. Like, it's not like I had to sneeze or anything, and it was just itchy. So I ended up taking allergy medicine, and I felt better within an hour. And I was like, please, please, please don't let me have allergies. I've never had allergies before, so it's so weird that it would turn up now, 28 years later, and I don't know why. So I go out on my run today, and I just got back from my run, and I'm filming this right after my run. And my nose, again, is like a little bit itchy, and I'm like, oh. So I probably have allergies. Isn't that weird? It just pops up 28 years later. Like, I've never had allergies, so I don't know, my body's weird. So I wanted to clarify something. Yesterday when I said that I spend 4 to 5 hours a day on YouTube engaging with my audience and then engaging with my potential audience, I don't want you all to think that I do nothing but YouTube all day, because I don't. In order to fit in growing my YouTube channel, I've really had to optimize my day. For me, I am super into being productive, and it actually makes me super uncomfortable when I'm not being productive. So to me, this means waking up early. This means staying up late. This means taking advantage of the time and doing something productive with pretty much every waking moment. This means that I'm not chilling on Netflix. This means I'm not playing video games, because to me, those types of activities I don't find to be productive for me. So typical day for me, I usually wake up around 6:30, and then we'll do the YouTube thing, the engagement thing, until about, I don't know, like 9:30, maybe even 10. And then from like 10 to like 3, I'll usually do like my money making activities, and then after 3, I'll usually work out, I'll usually run. Sometimes I do the working out and running like sooner in the day, and then I'll do like work, run, workout, work, right? So sometimes it's staggered, a lot of times it's staggered. My day is pretty flexible, and I'm glad that I have that type of flexibility, but don't misunderstand me. I am not doing this all day. I make sure to optimize my time. So I don't want you all to think that I am a bum and do nothing but YouTube all day. I make sure to do my other stuff. I have work stuff. I make money. So yeah, I'm not a bum. And again, this is all my personal journey and my thoughts. And I don't want anyone to misconstrue that you have to think like me. No, this is just me sharing what I think about myself and what I expect from myself. You can think whatever you want to think, and really, this is my YouTube channel, so I can share whatever I want. So maybe some people will connect with it, maybe some people won't, but I just wanted to put it all out there. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. I am actually working on a follow-up video to yesterday's video, the video where I gave my 3 main tips of how I grew by 467 subscribers in just 30 days. Because after the video, I thought about so many things. I should have talked about this, I should have talked about this, but the video is already 20 minutes and I'm glad I kept it at that, because now I can do a follow-up video with literally like 10 things that are helpful for me that may be helpful for you. So that video should be coming out in the next couple days. So thanks for watching again. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. See you all tomorrow.